In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to put your PS5 controller into pairing mode so you can connect it to any device using Bluetooth. This works with smart TVs, iPhones, Android phones, tablets, Windows PCs, Fire Sticks, and many other devices that support Bluetooth controllers. The whole process is simple, and once you know where the buttons are and what the lights mean, pairing becomes much easier. First, make sure your PS5 controller is completely turned off. If the light bar on the front of the controller is glowing blue or white, that means it's still on and won't enter pairing mode yet. To turn it off, press and hold the PlayStation button in the center of the controller. Keep holding it for around 10 to 13 seconds. You'll see the light slowly fade and turn off, and that confirms the controller has fully powered down. Once it is off, you can move to the pairing step. You'll need to press and hold the share button, which is on the left side of the touchpad, and the PlayStation button at the same time. Hold both buttons together without letting go. After a moment, you'll see the light bar start flashing blue repeatedly. That flashing pattern is the indicator that the controller is now in Bluetooth pairing mode and ready to connect. Now, go to the device you want to use the controller with and open its Bluetooth settings. Each device labels it a little differently, but you should see something like wireless controller or DualSense appear on the list of available devices. When it shows up, tap or select it to pair. It may take a few seconds for the connection to finalize, but once it's paired, the flashing light on the controller will stop and switch to a steady glow. At this point, your PS5 controller should be fully connected and ready to use on your device. You can start navigating menus, playing games, or adjusting your settings right away. If you ever need to pair it with another device later, just repeat the same steps. And if the controller doesn't show up in the Bluetooth list right away, simply turn Bluetooth off and back on, or move the controller a bit closer to the device. These small steps often fix minor detection issues and help complete the pairing successfully.